homemade firelighters. In this video I'm going to show you how I make them myself, and we're going to test how long it burns. I use 16mm MDF offcuts waste, and then I'm just cutting it in small pieces. Here I will put it in the container, and after that I will pour some paraffin over it. Because it soaks up a lot of it, I put in about half. Okay, let's start a fire. The pieces of wood that I'm using is really thick pieces. I don't start with fine little pieces. And normally I have to light 2 batches of this firelighters. I'm going to time how long 5 of these pieces burn, and then I will show the time above. It light up very nice. Let's see. Saving a spire from certain death. This will take about 4 minutes more of your time. I would like it if you continue watching. The first batch took about 11 minutes, but I will have to put in another batch, but a little bit, just to keep it going because the wood are really thick. Just another 2. fire will go strong. As quick as that, the next two will make this big pieces of wood burn till the end. The other two pieces took 10 minutes, so I can say with a good heart that this firelighters of mine burn about 10 minutes at a time. Okay, my fire is ready to dry. For those of you that made it to the end, thank you very much, and please subscribe.